Buying and selling stock on Wealthsimple is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Buying stocks. Log into Wealthsimple. Open the Wealthsimple app or visit the Wealthsimple website and log into your account. Access your portfolio. Go to the Invest tab to view your portfolio and manage your investments. Search for stocks. Use the search bar to find the stock you want to buy. Enter the company name or ticker symbol. Select the stock. Click on the stock from the search results to view its details, including current price and performance. Place a buy order. Click buy and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. Choose between a market order or a limit order. Review and confirm. Review your order details. Confirm and submit the order. Selling stocks. Go to your portfolio. Access the Invest tab to see your holdings. Select the stock to sell. Choose the stock you want to sell from your portfolio. Place a sell order. Click sell and enter the number of shares you want to sell. You can choose between a market or limit order. Review and confirm. Review the transaction details, then confirm and submit the order.